Hello and welcome. I'm Yvette Farrugia from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette, and today let's create some 5th birthday cupcakes together. We've started with some classic vanilla cupcakes inside some bright blue cases in our beautiful black cupcake box. Next, we've piped on a silky smooth white buttercream swirl using our 1M tip by Wilton. We've made our cupcake toppers out of fondant the day before so that they've had enough time to firm up properly, and that way those less likely of any chance of them absorbing any of the moisture out of the buttercream and starting to wilt at all. You want to add these as close to enjoying and eating your cupcakes or popping them on display as possible. We've used a mixture of edible images as well as a beautiful happy birthday stamp and also the number 5 and stars for decoration. We hope you enjoy and can't wait to see what you create. Don't forget you can grab our signature recipe on our website for our classic buttercream at www.enchantedcakesbyyvette.com. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.